What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and a lot of portable monitor solutions have been surfacing since late 2018. Who are these displays for? Maybe you're someone who utilizes a second display for your productivity work at home and would want to have a secondary display when you're out and about. Well, here at Computex 2019, let's check out ASUS's latest thin and light portable monitor solution. The ZenScreen Touch is a 15.6-inch slim and light 10-point touch Full HD portable monitor with a 7,800 mAh battery. It measures 9mm thick and weighs 900 grams. The battery is officially rated to last you 4 hours. Now, that information doesn't bother me too much because you get a nifty hybrid USB Type-C and A connectivity feature, which allows you to both supply power and output display over one cable. You also get a micro HDMI port on here for a variety of connectivity options. So yeah, I guess if I had the ZenScreen Touch, besides having a secondary display for my laptop, I would probably use this alongside my phone. Since my daily driver is a Samsung now, I can utilize DeX with this thin and light portable monitor, allowing me to lighten the gear I bring to the office, especially if all I'll be doing is writing. So, what did you guys think of the ASUS ZenScreen Touch? Let us know in the comment section below. By the way, we have more Computex 2019 features coming up, so stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.